What's up YouTube? In this video we're gonna be reviewing the Xiaomi Mijia screwdriver. We're gonna fix the Benchmade 51 here with it. I don't know how to open this, so I'm just gonna go in combat style. Okay, let's see what we get in the box. Okay, so first things first, USB cable, very short, but okay, don't need that. Okay, so here's the product. If I can get it out. Okay, there's some instructions in here, we don't care about that. Okay, here we go. Okay, something in Chinese. Enjoy work, enjoy work. Okay, whatever, man. Okay, so here's the oh, okay. Oh, so it's like a button. Okay, so as you can see, it's like a button to deploy it, and then you take it out, and it has all these bits. And we're gonna be fixing the Benchmade 51 in this video with these screws I just got. And if you want a tutorial on how to fix your Benchmade, subscribe, because I'll be doing a video on that. But anyway, let's take the screwdriver out of the box. Okay, let's see, we have left, right. Okay, so it's not that fast, but we can maybe it's not spinning that fast, but let's try, okay. And we're also gonna weigh this. Let's see if can I open this? No. Okay, so these are all the bits, and I strongly suggest getting this one because it has longer bits. Let's see, where are the Torx 3? And let's get a weight on this guy. Okay, so let's go just for the screwdriver. It weighs 61.57 grams with a bit, 63.67 with the whole thing, 216.68 grams. If we compare it to the iFixit, almost 400 grams. We're actually lighter than the iFixit, and the iFixit has more bits, I believe. Yeah, but they're also shorter, and it's a standard screwdriver. It's not it's just not electric like this one. Okay, so let's install the bit. Let's do this. So okay, so left is obviously unscrewing and right is screwing. Okay, let's take one of these screws and screw them in. I really don't like this because and that's gonna be a tough one because it doesn't seem to. Wait, are these interchangeable? Yes, these actually fit the same. They're the same size. Okay, let's try to do it with the... Apparently this is not the correct size because we need a bigger one. So wait, let me get a bigger one. Oh, and I just realized this is magnetic. Look at this. It just magnetically gets in there. That's cool. Let's get this one. So the case magnetically holds the screwdriver, screw bits. Let's see if this one will do better. I already feel like it will. Oh yeah, that's it. Now it's in there. Let's see this one. Where is it? Here. No, this one. This one is out. Oh yeah, that definitely worked. Now let's compare just the screwdrivers, the weight of the screwdrivers. So as we said, this one is like 63.69 grams, and this one without a bit is only 37. So it's gonna be lighter, but the box is heavier and the screwdriver is heavier. If you guys want to know how to repair the Benchmade 51 in every way, script screws or anything, or replacing screws, I'm gonna make a video on that. Also, I'm gonna make a video on the Bally's screwdriver soon, so subscribe to see that. Thanks for watching and peace.